Welcome to LiteCone's ARIS, your AI knowledge worker for health claim adjudication. Securely log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you arrive at the claims dashboard. This provides a clear overview of claims awaiting review. You can quickly navigate to a specific claim by clicking on its case ID. The claim review screen presents all the information you need for efficient adjudication. On the left, you find essential claim and patient information, including the claimed amount and the ARIS recommended payable amount. All relevant case documents, such as the discharge summary, hospital bills, prescription, and policy document, are easily accessible here. ARIS automatically assesses claim admissibility, reviewing policy validity, confirming active status, and verifying required documents. It evaluates applicable waiting periods, clearly indicating their status: general, specific procedure, and pre-existing disease. It highlights if the waiting period is completed, not applicable, or still in progress. ARIS also flags pre-existing conditions and their coverage status according to the policy. Detailed reasoning explains the AI's assessment based on policy terms and the specific claim details. The medical adjudication section provides an AI-driven analysis of medical necessity with a confidence score. It references key documents like the discharge summary and prescription. ARIS establishes a logical causal chain from the primary diagnosis to the prescribed treatments, highlighting the relevance of procedures and medications based on clinical guidelines. Evidence from documentation directly links the AI's findings to specific points within the uploaded documents, saving valuable review time. The financial adjudication section calculates the payable amount by applying hospital tariff limits and policy terms. Each item is assessed for coverage based on tariffs, ARDI guidelines, and specific policy exclusions, with clear indicators for covered items, tariff limits, and non-payable items. The adjustment breakdown provides transparency, showing the claimed amount, total adjustments made by ARIS, and the final payable amount. An audit trail maintains a record of all automated steps taken by ARIS AI and the system. Finally, the Your Decision section allows the adjudicator to add notes, override the payable amount if necessary, and make the final decision to approve, reject, or request more information. The managerial dashboard offers a bird's-eye view of operations, track key metrics like total claims, automation rate, average processing time, and overall approval rate. Filter claims based on their processing method: fully processed by ARIS, partially processed requiring minimal review, or those requiring human intervention. Gain valuable insights into claims by stage, the automation metrics breakdown, and manage team workload effectively, highlighting urgent cases. ARIS streamlines your health claim adjudication process, combining AI efficiency with human expertise for faster, more accurate decisions.